This strange penny stock just rallied from 80 cents to $3.70. For those of you who don't know, that is a 450% increase. It is May 9th, 2023, and I am the coach who called out Hub C as a sell when everyone else was telling you to buy. That's right. When Hub C was $3, I was telling you to sell, and on March 16th, the stock went all the way down to 53 cents. I save you money and I make you money. Get ready because we got some wild call outs today. John made 25%, but that's just the beginning. In this video, you're going to have your confidence restored in your ability to trade through the trades that I help you make. The stocks that I have lined up for you are going to surprise you, so make sure to watch the video until the end. Most traders don't know the power of TRVN stock. This stock rallied from $2.44 to $3.48 after hours. We're live in the stock market right now. I'm going to show you how to trade this stock, and if you like making money, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Most recently, we called out a stock called RDFN, and that stock rallied as predicted from $9.46 to a high of $10.08. You might be thinking, Coach Coda, yes, you were right. The stock went up, but it didn't go up 1,000%. Well, you are correct, my friend. I don't want you to focus only on the stocks that go up 100%. I want you to focus on the consistent wins, on the wins that are going to grow your trading account long term so that you can stop losing money. The number one thing I want you to do, and if you learn one thing from me as a trading coach, it's to stop losing money in the stock market. Stop losing money on Hub C. Stop losing money on TRKA, on AMC, on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Stop losing money. Start making money on stocks like RDFN. We called out RDFN yesterday at $9 and the stock is up almost $1 per share. The stock is expected to go up even more, but we are taking profits at $9.98. The stock we're looking at in addition to RDFN is a stock called GEO. G-E-O. GEO stock is another strong stock, but I'm not going to tell you exactly how to trade it, my friend, because my trades are reserved for only my elite trading team, which you can be a part of. All you have to do to join my trading team is click the link in the description. Now, this is an exclusive trading team. Not everyone who applies will be accepted, but it's 100% free to apply and 100% free to try if you are accepted into the group. All you have to do is click the link in the description and you can get more winning trades like RDFN sent directly to your inbox and even to your text message smartphone. I promised we were going to talk about TRVN, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's say you hold shares of TRVN right now. Do I want you to sell right now? Actually, yes. I'd like you to sell much of your position right now when the stock is $3.48. I wouldn't close 100% of my position in TRVN, but I would think about closing all of my TRVN shares very soon, my friend. Why? Because TRVN can top off, but I don't think TRVN is done running yet. I already knew that the TRVN was going to run after it came down to 250, and it did. It went from 250 to 350. That's a 33% increase. That's $3,300 in your trading account if you're trading with 10K. That's big money, my people. And the stock can go up even further to 438, 496. 574. Okay, really the top of TRVN, if TRVN reaches its full potential, is anywhere from $5 to $6. So the stock really hasn't finished running yet, but I want to think, okay, I want you to think about selling part of your position. The job of us stock traders, us humble people, is to buy low and sell high. How are you going to make money if you buy stocks after they already run? How are you going to make money if you keep averaging up? How are you going to make money if you keep buying bad stocks? The answer is it's difficult, right? It's difficult to make money that way. TRVN, if it rallies, can rally to $4.38 to $4.86. And if it breaks $5, it can hit that $5.74 profit target. Guys, this is the key right here to trading TRVN. I'm giving it to you. I'm handing it to you. I'm telling you that TRVN is going to stop running around $6, and then it's probably going to start dumping around there. So watch for it. But right now, TRVN is strong, and it may run for at least 3 more trading days before fully dying. However, The other scenario is that TRVN will actually go all the way up to $6 in the pre-market tomorrow, okay? Watch for that. Watch for the TRVN pre-market rally to $6, okay? I'm serious. The TRVN can definitely run the pre-market, and I need you guys to be aware, because this stock with this much price action, with this much volume, it doesn't just stop running. It doesn't just say, yeah, I ran for a little bit, but you know what? I'm going to stop running now, and I'm just going to fall all the way back down to $1. No, the stock is going to rally again. It's going to go up even further, and guess what? After it goes up further, it's going to reach a peak, and then it's going to be like a car driving off the side of a cliff. It's dangerous. Be careful if you trade TRVN. Make sure to get out of this vehicle before it blows up in your face, my friend. This is TRVN stock. Our other stock, which we are looking at and which I will help you trade, is a stock called GEO. GEO is a pro call out, meaning that you will receive stocks like GEO sent directly to your inbox if you decide to join our pro group. This pro group is necessary for any trader who loses money in the stock market right now, because what it is, it's a hands-on trading program where I actually walk you through your trades and I give you stock callouts, okay? So you get live trading classes included with your pro membership for the first few days, and you get access to 100% Discord, and all of that is included in your trial. So all you have to do is apply and see if you're going to get accepted into the group. You do have to have a good application if you're going to be accepted into the pro group, but I'm happy to help you out if that's what you want to do. If you want to trade stocks professionally, if you always dreamed of making money from home, then I'm happy to mentor you. I know how to do this. How do you think I called out RDFN stock? How do you think I called out AHT stock? All of those stocks were called out by me at much lower prices with 100% accuracy. So if you're ready to make money in the stock market, then click the link below and fill out that trial form, because that's going to be the answer to your problems. GEO stock. Buying it around $8 and selling it at the higher levels, which are in my pro group, is how you're going to potentially make money off of the stock. RDFN was a winner. Watch GEO. GEO stock, TRVN stock, RDFN stock. These are the stocks which we covered today. Thank you so much for joining this video and watching my channel. You have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope to have the opportunity to mentor you personally to be successful in the stock market. Call me anytime. It's Coach Coda. Stay safe, people.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Coda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?